Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V11 has lost suction, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can arise due to blockages or filter problems. If left unresolved, it can lead to reduced cleaning efficiency and possibly damage the motor, resulting in costly repairs. Fortunately, with a bit of effort, you can fix this yourself. For this repair, you'll need a Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft brush for cleaning, and, if necessary, replacement filters. First, ensure your Dyson V11 is turned off and unplugged. Begin by removing the dust container. This is usually just a simple press of a button. Next, use the Torx screwdriver to remove the screws from the main body. Be careful to keep the screws in a safe place as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the main casing away from the motor assembly. Here, you should locate the blockage, which is often found in the airways or the filters. If you spot any debris, use the soft brush to clean it out. If the filter appears dirty, it's best to replace it. To do this, locate the filter compartment, which is easily accessible. Twist it to unlock and pull it out. Insert the new filter and ensure it's securely in place. Now, as you reassemble the device, take care to reconnect any cables you may have disconnected and ensure everything fits snugly without forcing any components. Replace the screws, applying just firm enough pressure to secure them without stripping the threads. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, give your Dyson a quick test run to ensure it's functioning correctly. If the suction has returned, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Dyson V11. To help prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose and attachments after each use. This will ensure your vacuum continues to perform at its best. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.